Hi, I'm Matt from Home Safety Solutions, and we're going to talk about opening your Bahama shutter back up after the hurricane passes. The only tools you're going to need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to start by removing the brackets that are either going to be on the left and right side of your shutters, or sometimes will be towards the bottom depending on how your opening was designed. And then again, they're just Phillips head screws. There's going to be 3 of them. Remove them completely. And when you go to do the last screw, just keep a little pressure on the bracket to make sure it doesn't fall. They are all numbered and labeled to each opening, just like all the hardware that you'll be dealing with. And then we're going to have a couple of arms, and these just get attached at the bottom with some Phillips head screws. Then you want to make sure that the screw's going in and the little wing is going towards the outside. Now the arms are attached to the wall with these aluminum quick release pins. You'll see the brackets towards the back, and you will just line it up through the holes. You'll then loosen the wings on the arms to adjust the pitch on the shutter to wherever you would like. Once you have it in the desired position, tighten them down. And then you're able to grab the louvers and adjust them to the position that you like. The very last step is you're going to want to grab your hardware box and take your plastic nylon screws, and they just push right into the old holes in the wall where the brackets go. And they're also good too if you'd like to paint it to help match the trim. It really makes the hardware disappear and blend in very nice. That's it. And that's it. You're all open and ready to go.